about you, but I think Tiger Co. is going to end very soon. I had to take out a loan to cover this. Hello everyone and welcome today back to Automation. I think this game is very fun. Where we make cars from scratch. And last episode we only made one car, but that is because we fully designed it, interior and everything. So let's go to the campaign and let's continue in. Tiger Co. Hopefully factory this time. So yeah, this is the market. Looks like this friend is the best. So Arkanaha, I guess, and we've actually been making money, which is nice. Let's go to car projects, why don't we? If I'm doing anything wrong, please let me know. So let's do, what? Yeah. So let's go to this, open the project, and we are going to go to the car. Yes. No, I didn't mean to do this. If I just doing a new car, and it's the where's the family? It can't be the family. Convertible budget. Let's do the convertible manual. Let's go into that. Lower isn't always better. Keep an eye on balancing out and roll angle stats during suspension tuning. Get better. But okay, so I'm gonna go with 1955 a coupe for this convertible. Let's get right into it. I mean, off the bat, it kind of looks good already. But yeah. So let's go. We're gonna do aluminum, and it. So the ladder frame is nice. This frame, space frame. The space frame can get annoying. This one and this one. It's hard picking. Let's go with the ladder. Ladder looks like it's basic, and we have a little trunk compartment back there. We're familiar with both of these, so, and it's gonna be in the front, right there. And let's do solid axle coil, because we don't really need. It's not really off-road, but yeah. Let's go. The quality wants to still be in profit. Quality. So +2 will be profit. I think we're gonna do a new one. So it's gonna be flower, and variant name is Convert 1. It's the convertible first version. We could do like a V8 or something. I think an inline would be a little better though. It's like an inline 6, a V12. We could really put a V12 in this. No, a V8. Let's check with the V8. Yeah. And then more bottom end stress. More friction. What about now? Does that make it worse? Let's make it go way down. We'll figure it out. I don't know. I think that's good. Just do. I mean, the only one we've been doing is overhead cam, so let's do a 3. Looks pretty good. What does a 2 look like? Yeah, let's do a 2. No, we'll do a 3. We'll do it, cast iron. Quality, we want to be in profit to there. So this is all plus. Okay, so we actually have a pretty good lineup thing here. So we're familiar with none of this. Let's do a forge steel. Cast light, damper. Yeah. And as you can see, it's good for low RPM and power efficiency. It's smooth, somewhat lighter weight, less friction, and there's not really stress. And that's always good. Quality, let's just keep it the same for this one. It's an engine. Compression, we're gonna go just about there. Cam profile, it's a little bit of a sporty, so let's put in sport, and we'll make it a little tighter. So, and the RPM limit for now, let's just go like, what does this look like? What does this look like? What does this look like? Let's keep it all the way up, and then we'll decide. And now, let's actually just keep it in the green for now. Quality, we won't mess with that. Nitrously aspired, and there's no turbocharger. Ha. Carburetor, eco-friendly. Which one are we familiar with? Let's do the eco, and we'll do a twin. Performance, we'll do a high performance. Can we do like unleaded, leaded? We'll do leaded, and we'll do the super. We'll do a tubular. No, let's just do a tubular mid. Single exhaust, and we'll make it a little bigger, like that. Yeah. Cat converter none. We'll do a baffled, and then no, we'll do non-baffled. All right. So our engine could be better. We'll do no. About reverse flow. What does that do? No, that just kills it. That makes it worse. If I put the exhaust side, okay. No, we don't want it that high. We don't want it that low. If we do dual exhaust, we do tubular long, tubular race. We're trying to keep it up. That's the thing. Like a compact would be very bad. So let's go to the previous panel. This is the thing. Now we're just trying to make this as good as possible. So a lot of it is really just thinking about it. Oh, if we do a quad. Yeah, that's good, that's good. And we'll do two. What does that look like? Single. Let's do a single. This is a pretty good climb rate. And I think we'll do some black. Oh my goodness. It's black either way. Paint. Black. We'll give it a little bit of like a maroon. Ooh, I like it how this works. And the trim will be a like darker maroon. The bolts will be white. That means the end tank will be black. End tank, except end tank trim we're not gonna mess with. Air filter we're not gonna mess with. Sump we'll make it black. You know, I think that'd be a good maroon. Yeah, that looks good. And the cover, make it maroon. I like this. Yeah. Alright, start. Ooh. Sounds like a good engine. Ooh. Okay, I'm thinking... like that. You can't hear it, but... I think the RPM could go a little higher. No. Okay, 550 will be our limit. So let's stop. Go to the RPM, 550, 550. Yeah, we just need that peak of where it starts to go. So right here, around 550. See how... You can't hear it. There's music playing in the background, and it's probably copyrighted, so... Yeah, that sounds good. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, the car looks good, too. I like how the car looks. We are doing the convertible version. So I guess now we go into the paint. I'm trying to think of a good color. Would a black be good? I think maybe a blue. Like, ooh, that's good. Yeah. Flake. Do high flake and high shine. No, medium shine looks good. No, we're gonna do high shine. That's the trim. We can keep the trim the same. The underbody, I mean, it's gonna be black. Painted iron would probably be better though. So, oh, that's iron. Back to the paint. I mean, we could do like the front, back bumper, or they only has front. You know what? Let's do the, oh, you know what? The exhaust. We're making that black. Yeah, black. So now the exhaust, which is actually in the front. Let's get rid of the bonnet here. It's not there. It was not there. Alright. So, I'm thinking, I mean, it's headlight. Headlight's a headlight. Right there. Oh no. Move it. Right there. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, let's get a grill. I'm kind of using the same grills. Maybe something like that. But we're gonna make it a little longer. Scale it. And move it down a little. I'd say that looks good. Is it centered? Yes, it is. We need flashers now, so let's go. Indicators. What would these look like? Is it bad that I like these? They don't. I don't think they really sell the look of the age, though. It's not really that type of age. I like that. I mean, it's an old car. That's how they looked. We're gonna need mirrors, so let's do that. I'm gonna skip through most of this because it's very time consuming. Especially when you can't even find the mirrors. Here they are. But yeah. Alright everyone, I think it's time to start working on the interior. So I have all of this done. I think it looks pretty good, and I have these little things here for the top. And I also have them on the hood as well. That's how you open it, and a little handle. On the back, I have a little classic light, some switches with another handle to open it, mirrors of course, the doors which have locking features, and I actually added a fuel tank in this one. Not the biggest, not the smallest, but just a little fuel tank. Have a grill, the classic lights, and the engine looks like this in here. Yeah, I think it looks pretty nice. Yeah. So let's actually lower it down. And we need to start working on the interior. Now I downloaded a shifter mod because there isn't any shifters. So let's get to it. This time I'm going to do something a little different, but we are going to make use of the modular interior again. So let's bring it right here, yes. Bam. 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 And we're gonna just go to this little thing right here. Get it to be centered. And go to scale. It's pretty easy. And when you're like this, it makes it easier to align it also. Do that. Bring it out some more. Do this. And bring it down. Go back to scale. Just, oh, I bring it way down. Don't want it that much. Oh no, this is where I want it. Yeah, this is. Scale. Bring it up until it's a reasonable height. And nothing is showing, just like that. Going to need to do this a little also. A little more. Not do any less. No, I don't think I really can do that. And go to move. And bam! Centerpiece. Now we're going to go back to modular interior. We need just a bar. That's not a bar. Here it is. Yes, here. And it's gonna be right here, because why not? I'm gonna bring it down, like always. Gonna bring it down more. Gonna have it snap. Snap. Gonna be in it. And gonna drag this back. And then we're gonna go scale. Right at the door. And we're gonna go to move. And move it down to cover everything. And we're gonna want it not to be sticking out of the door. Bam. Or technically it'd be the body, not the door, but move it back and to the front. And bam. Now we need to get something right here. So, gonna get this. Is this the right size? No, it's not. Let's just use it anyway. Bring it down, bring it in. And this is just like what's in front or behind the steering wheel. So we need it to go all the way to the bottom. And we need to scale it. Be right about here. Now we go to scale. Bring it up. And I think that actually looks pretty good. So let's go to Classic Interior Pack. Or just get this version. There's a version with pedals. Here it is. I'd like a version with pedals. Wait, and it has a shift. Does this really have a shifter too? It does. I don't need any mods. I got to an angle where I can actually look at it. Yeah, that's a shifter. Okay, well, I mean, this is nice. We'll bring it down. Turn it 3D. Because we need to flip it. I'm a little confused about... Oh. Never mind. This is going to be a... Oh, no. I just undo. Gonna be a right-hand drive, I guess. Why? Because that's how it turned out. I'm not gonna make myself do all this by hand. It'd be pain in the hand. And dashboard's not gonna be centered because that's how cars work. And are they gonna have this moved up or something else? Let's grab this, move it down. It goes way too far down, so we're gonna have to grab this, scale it up a little bit more. This is moving it up. I want it to actually be scaled up. Actually, can you see? Yes, you can. You can see under this. There we go, scale. See, it would have been perfect just if I just scaled it. Move it up, go back to move. Move it where we need it. It would be right about there. Move back to scale. And scale it a little. Yeah, that looks good. Okay. So we have this, and now we need to do this stuff back here. So let's go to Interior 3D. And let's start doing the BeamNG gauge light. I mean, we need like speedometer and stuff. I don't think it wants a speedometer and stuff. So we're just gonna put some gauge lights in it. This might be tedious. You know what? I don't care. We're not doing that. So let's go back to the modular interior. There's a certain piece that's need for this. Is it this? Yep. So maybe like, wow, this piece is giant. It's a trunk piece. Use it for the trunk. Of course, we have to scale it to size, so. Let's get right into doing that. I need to be as tall either. Go back to moving it. And we don't want, well, we do want it to be visible, so let's, like, right, darn it. Where is it? Here it is. Right about there. No. Oh, no. It's like the other car. There's gonna be this, like a little space behind the seats. This one's only a 2-seater also, so it's also only a 2-seater. All right, need to make this like that. Now we scale it. My favorite thing to do is scale. Now it's not, but I have to. So. Alright, gotta move, put it in 3D. Bring it down, put her in here. Put her in here. Scale it. And yeah, catch up when this is like all done. Alright guys, I think I have it done here. I mean, I think it looks pretty good. The trunk is not trunk. But I do think this looks pretty dang good. So now let's get moving on. Drivetrain, it's going to be real world drive, automatic too. So that, and it's going to go about 93 miles per hour. So, yeah. Differentials. It's going to be a clutch, and this -1 for a little bit more profit. Tire width. Oh, I'm seeing this in the tire. I don't like that. What is this? Needs to be scaled different. Okay, now it's not in the tires. Okay. So we'll do radio, and we'll do sports maybe. Make it a little bit more wide because we want stability, especially when you're doing a convertible, which doesn't have much aerodynamics. But oh yeah, this is sticking out. Okay, I'm glad I'm spotting these things. Alright. I had those for the hardtop. I might have mentioned that already. The quality, we're gonna go a little bit less for more profit. We're gonna do drums, big drums. Front force, gonna make it a little bit more. The rear force is gonna be a little, actually no, if anything the front force should be less. And the rear force should be higher. The engine has a lot of octane, higher compression. Okay, all right. Engine. I'm gonna go to compression. Or no. Compression. Higher compression. More gears. Okay, well I can't do more gears unless it's a manual. It's wanting me to do so much stuff I can't. Yeah. It's a manual I can go for. But it's going to be an automatic too. So we need more spread. And top gear needs to be decreasing, okay. Now it wants me to decrease the compression power. Like, what do you want me to do? Decrease. How about that? That's a pretty good line. Now it says higher compression. Reducing. Oh my goodness. Not. I don't care. Going through all this. Yeah. So let's keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. We don't need an off-road skid track. What would that look like, though? I don't see no nothing. I don't see nothing, so we're doing nothing. I don't know what this stuff does, so yeah. Let me get higher. Just because. The detachable, yes. Was it manual? No. We want it detachable. No seats in the back. Interior, we're gonna do handmade interior, as always. What's a phonograph? I'm gonna look that up. It's a record player. Driver aids, American Pinion, standard 50s, optimized weight, weight distributed, a little bit more in the rear. Springs, standard, we don't really need anything else. It's more of a sport car. So I don't want to mess with any of that. We're making it a little bit of a higher ride. Power steer. Power steer. Front brake size or pad? Bam. Is that good for you? Have full force. Make the pad type a little different. Probably too much force. I don't care about that. Just keep going. I'm trying to have fun here. Convertible, blah blah blah. This person was doing really good with us. Now, the lowest one I was pretty sure is like them. It is going to be a convertible. Like, that's what it's going to be. Yeah. Well, it's markets. Next panel. So we're going to test it. See how fast this thing can go. It sounds good. That's a good pickup. I'm having a little bit of tire slip. Or that's the aerodynamics getting messed up. Yeah, it's having some tire slip here. We're going up to 74. Yeah. So 74 is the max speed for it. Alright, that's pretty good. Don't care about this stuff. I already tried to fix it. Let's go to a photo scene. I mean, enabling car more from the first part. It does look good. This would be a good picture. I'm gonna take this for my thumbnail. You can adjust the car and how it's looking, just like that. Don't want to move anymore. What did I do? Now I can't take a photo. Bam. That's my thumbnail. How do I get out? Right here. So, shot. Let's do this. Or did I just replace my other car? You better tell me I didn't. You better tell me I didn't. I don't think I did. The flower can and factory. What? I have to make a new factory again? There'll be more learning. If me gets full pressure, we're not even gonna get profits. More manual. I literally forgot everything I did. Engine factory. New factory. Yeah, we're making tons of factories. Tons. Yeah, that's what it's gonna be named. I'm doing a large factory. Okay. I'm not playing around now. Aluminum factory, forge works. Q&A testing. Maintenance, staff facilities. Just fill this to the brim. It's so cool how each building has its own little thing. This is a large factory, okay? This is the main factory that I'm going to be using. Worker wages, same. Worker quality, higher. Engine material. The engine labor is what costs the most. Wow. Manufacturing, yeah. Alright. Now we're in the stock market, I'm guessing. I don't care. That's how angry I am. What? What? I have to make a new factory again? We're making another. Our big factories are going to be in this place. We're going large again. Okay. Galv plant, lever work, Q-net, maintenance. Large. It's millions and millions of dollars. We're gonna get rich. $2 million. Your next panel. Factory setup. Yes. Okay, we do have 2. That's good. No loan. Let's do it. Oh. Accept loan. Agree. Wait, no. No loan. Back to hub. Let's see how the stock market is going. The flower convertible, running year 53. So we're in 1953 right now. And that's the engine we used for it. It's currently engineering. 1956. So we have like 3 years. Let's speed it up. Oh, we got new bodies. I think we might make a truck next, because all that stuff is like trucks. Research revenue. Expensive finances. Factory shutdowns for retooling. Okay. And what is this? Enable trim stock man. Right here. Bam. Don't know what that did. How's our marketing going? Say it's doing pretty well. I'm joking. I don't know what this means. I think it's trying to say like all this stuff we're doing bad in. Okay, last month we lost $2 million. Don't tell me I'm running a bad business. I mean, there's no way. I'm just making cars. Okay, I'm still losing money. It's just not good. Again, our top one is Argentina. Don't know what that means. I don't think we've ever replaced it. New bodies again. Oh, sports cars. Oh, we have sports cars. I have a mod for the Ferrari. I don't think I downloaded a Ferrari mod. All I know is that we're making sports cars now. Are we gonna start selling cars or like research and development, car projects? We gonna start selling cars? My thing should be thing. It's active. It's active. Stock managers active. New bodies again. Okay, we can make like a like a camper. I don't know if I have camper. I might have to like get mods for camper supplies. But yeah, we could definitely do some stuff. No current marketing activities. It's complete engineering. We're gonna start selling it. Nothing like negative $78.2 million. Now, I think the business might not be going the best. Yeah. This isn't well, is it? This isn't good. Yeah, I don't think it is. I think I'm gonna end it here. I have a bad feeling Tiger Co. is going to end very soon. Yeah.